Arrays are a useful way to store multiple values like numbers, strings, and even other arrays. MyArray variable equals array 1, 2, 3. Here we create an array of 3 numbers. Remember that arrays positions start from 0. Therefore, to access the third item in the array, we type myArray2. Alright, so instructions. On line 8, set fruits, right here, equal to an array of 3 things: bananas, apples, and pears. Array. Whoop. All right. Modify what's going on here? Line 9. Fruits equals array blah blah blah. Did I do this correctly? It looks like it's correct. Echo I love eating fruits. I love eating array too. This, then, oh, are you eating over there, Daisy? Is that what that is? 2. No, 1. Oh, cool. Alright, so we can change this out. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Oh, no, that'll probably mess up the whole screencast. Alright, so we can do 2 to make it pairs. We can do 0. Oh, that's 20. I messed everything up. 0 bananas, 1 apples, 2 pears. So we need to do 1 apples, save and submit code. Looks like it's good. All right, sweet. Start next lesson. Starting out kind of slow. Associative arrays. So far you've been accessing the values of an array using integers. This is all well and good, but if you want to be more descriptive of your data, you can make use of something called an associative array. An associative array makes use of key value pairs. Some languages may separate arrays from associative arrays, but PHP treats both as the same. In the editor, you will see I have declared 2 variables as arrays. Have a look at the first array and see if you can guess what item those values may refer to. That shouldn't be a question mark. 2012 blue 5. The year, the color of the car, and how many doors it has. Okay, now have a look at the array below it. This is an associative array. It's defined as an array like the first one, but see how I have specified keys for each of the values. Okay. Both arrays contain the same values, but in the associative array we can access the value using a specified key. Makes sense? Click Save and Submit Code when you think you've got it. Well, if using Code Academy has taught me anything, it's that I probably need to go ahead and just copy this, because I'll probably be using it in the next little lesson there. Save and submit code. Let's find out. Blue. Using arrays as maps. You could think of an associative array, also called a map, as being the same as a normal array. But instead of using an integer to refer to the value, you used a defined key. While numeric indices may be fine for looping through an array and listing all of the values, what if we need to change a certain value from an array? Car equals array 2012 blue 5. Associated car equals array 2012 blue 5. Car 3, associated car make. This is an array using integer. For each array in the editor, add the value BMW to the end of the array. For each array in the editor. Okay, so array this BMW. We're gonna add make so that it makes sense. See what I did there? Makes sense. Got it? Yeah. That shouldn't be there. Make should be BMW. This thing. The code should output BMW. Not doing too good here. Here, let's try it this way. Singles. Line 16 is expecting one of these things. I wonder why it's on this. Okay. This shouldn't go here. This should go here. BMW, BMW. Hell yeah. Start next lesson. Alright. 4 out of 7. Holy shit. Holy shit. Accessing associative arrays. When accessing the values from either type of array, the only difference is whether you use an integer or a specified key. This exercise will demonstrate how useful specified keys in an array can be. Instructions. Using the arrays from the previous exercises, write an echo statement on line 22 to talk about your car beyond the fact that it's blue. Add your code here. What? Echo attributes for attributes. Then we're going to create an array called attributes. Attributes equals array this. Then it has the attributes. Its license plate 1 2 3 4 5 6, and its length and its width. Okay. Echo attributes. Key value pairs. Okay, so let's do key value pairs instead. So equals array license for license plate equals this. Length width this thing. Okay, line 24, I did that wrong. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, my attributes array, and then we're going to echo attributes tribs license this thing. Oh, it's attributes, actually. What? What did I do wrong here? Okay, I think I know what I did wrong. I didn't put this below this. There we go. Save and submit code. What? Bracket notation or curly brace notation to access my associate array in your code. Check out the hint if you need help. What? Alright, let's try this. Alright, cool, that worked. Alright, so 5 out of 7. Iterating over associative arrays. Looping through an associative array is just as easy as looping through a normal array, but you obtain the value from a specified key, not an integer, just like the previous exercises. If we only need to loop through the values of an array, we can use for. Have a look at the editor to see an example of this being used. Food array, salad array. Length equals count of food. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For I equals 0, I is less than the length I plus plus. So counting the number of items in the array, echo food items. Okay, echo, I want my salad through an associated array using for each. Okay, with lettuce, without tomato, with onions. Where did it do with and without? Oh, okay. With, without. Remember when using a for loop, calculate the length of an array first, then have a look. Okay, and create your own associative array and loop through the keys and value. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Alright, multidimensional arrays. Can you tell I'm just ready to get through this? So, multidimensional arrays. Not only can you store integers and strings in arrays, you can also store other arrays. This is called a multidimensional array. How do we do this? Well, just like a normal array with comma-separated values, but you would put comma-separated arrays instead, just like the code in the editor. You have the 7 of diamonds. Deck is an array which contains 3 rows, each being a playing card. Within each row, it has the name of the card along with the value. To retrieve a card, we should first get the row for that card, then get the value we require, either to display the card or calculate the player's total. If we access deck 2, we would get the 3rd row. Remember, arrays start from 0 in PHP. What? Try adding another card to the array. It can have whatever rank, suit, and value you like, but keep in mind the value should be a number. Okay. So let's do this. 6. Oh, hell yeah. Start the next lesson. Oh, fuck. This is the time to practice everything you've learned so far about associative arrays. Here's some quick reminders. Arrays in PHP are 0-based. This means numeric ID of the first value in the array will always be 0, not 1. An array can contain values, value 1, value 2, etc. An associative array can contain keys and values. A multi-dimensional array can contain arrays within arrays. Create your own associative array. Okay. Create a variable called myArray and set it equal to a new array that you create, which can contain any items you like. Grab a value from your array and display it. Now loop through the array and output the contents to a browser. Okay. myArray. myArray equals array 1, 2, 3. This thing. On the line below, output one of the values. Okay, echo myArray array 1. Hang on, Daisy, I'll let you out in a second, for fuck's sake. Okay, on the line below, loop through the array and output all of the values to the page. Holy shit. Alright, now loop through the array. For I in my array. Hang on, how do you do a fucking loop again? Multi-dimensional array. Nope, that's not it. Iterating over. Okay, here we go. Special sauce. Alright, go back to 7. Put it right now. Okay. So, for I in my array, oh, here we go. For I equals 0, I is length, echo my array, for each my array as we don't have a length in there. Yeah, this is the only part we really need right here. Line 16. There we go. Haha, view course overview. Of course, we earned a badge. PHP, tweet, 100,000. We earned this shit. We the best. We the best. Alright. Tweet. Alright. We just finished the whole PHP course like a baller. Close. And view course overview. Whew. So glad to be finally done with this. PHP is finished. Wrap it up. Throw it away. Alright, so we went through all of this crap. And, you know, the funny thing is, the whole time I was doing this course, I was really excited about it because I was going to use it on this project that I've been working on called Shelfer. Whoops, that's the wrong page. This is actually the countdown until I'll start the beta. But anyway, here's what it looks like right here. Shelfer.im/beta. It's an inventory control program. See, I've got just kind of static data in there right now, and it's something I'm going to be using for my job. And so product in, product out, you know, manage, you can add new items and things like that. Products shows you like all the products you have. Clients shows you who your clients are and stuff. Places shows you like the different warehouse locations you have. And tickets, like ticket is the word for every transaction that you do in there, and it shows you like how much you profited on the deal, and it's all fully responsive. So if you collapse it, like your menu becomes like this. You got products, you got your main page right here. Then here the cool thing is like places. Everything is the right size. Like you can make a certain warehouse be like the default warehouse or browse the stock from there. Anyway, so I plan on adding it as a service. So like selling it. This is just like a dummy pricing plan. I don't really know what I'm going to charge for or how I'm going to charge for it or like how much. But this is kind of like how I want things to look, and I want it to be really simple and stuff like that. So that's the whole reason why I was using it. Well, in the meantime, I got a few books. I don't think I have them laying around over here, but I got a few books that were about like Node.js and single page JavaScript applications and things like that. I thought it was really cool. So I think I'm going to kind of abandon PHP for the moment because I don't know. I kind of want to use what the buzzword of the day is just to try it out, you know, to see how things are. So in the meantime, I'm going to learn, you know, JavaScript, Node.js, stuff like that. But first, I want you guys to have a foundation. So I'm going to do like the overall like web development course on here, like HTML. And even though I know HTML and CSS already, we're going to go through that. And just to give you guys a better foundation with this whole learning style. So once we're done with that, we're going to do JavaScript, JavaScript web applications. After that, Node.js. And then once I kind of get familiar with Node.js and MongoDB and Express and all that stuff, we're going to move from there either to Python or Ruby on Rails, like Python with Django or Ruby with Ruby on Rails, or Ruby with Rails. Anyway, so that's kind of like the whole plan of where I want things to go for now. So I'm going to go ahead and render this video and upload it. Congratulate yourselves if you made it through this course with me. I really appreciate you guys standing by me and watching this. And yeah, I hope you like the stuff that we have coming up on channel 2. So thanks for watching.